Hey folks! So as promised, here's our full room, resort and outdoor tour from our Fujairah trip. Let's go check out the room first. Let's check out the washroom. It's super clean, spacious and comes with both a bathtub and a separate shower area. Bathroom amenities are replenished daily, which is always a plus mark. The room itself is much bigger than we expected. It's 50 square meters, can you even imagine? Now, if you do a quick comparison with other 5-star hotels, and if you look on Hilton Fujairah, it's like 39 square meters, which is pretty small, and if you really want a bigger room you have to book for connecting, which is 58 square meters, even though it looks very modern and super clean. And if we check only Meriden, .48 square meters. And if we check Al Bahar, it's 50 square meters, which I'm really happy because it's worth the price. And we got 2 cupboards. Inside the cupboards you will find pair of slippers and iron board, and it got plenty of storage inside the cupboard so you can put your luggages in. Unfortunately, this TV is not supporting YouTube, but we got our HDMI cable, so we connected it to YouTube. And also tea, coffee amenities, you can request every day if you need, and also the water. And the best part is the balcony with the beautiful marine view. Now let's go to the lobby. We have a plan to go out today. The hotel offers a free shuttle to the mall every day at 11:30 am with return bus at 5:30 pm. We even found a movie room for kids and a game room also. The game room was packed with some kids, so we couldn't take a video of it. The spa, steam and sauna are open daily from 10 am to 1 am, and the gym is open from 7 am to 10 pm. And then, you know what? We found this pool. It looks like abandoned outdoor pool. Not really sure why it's closed, but it looks very hot outside. We took the shuttle bus at 11:30 sharp, came on time, and this bus is going to Palace Hotel, the other chain of the Al Bahar Hotel. what's interesting about this mall? Most shops were run by local men and women, which was refreshing to see, and we never seen something like this before in other malls in Dubai or Abu Dhabi. Even the Carrefour had Emirati cashiers, and I saw a post that they are still hiring Emirati cashiers. I think that's another reason why we cannot take videos inside the Carrefour. Now we are going to the food court. We are a bit hungry at the moment. So we had this from KFC and it cost us 56 dirhams. And we decided not to wait for the return shuttle, it's at 5:30. Instead, let's take a taxi. And by the way, Fujairah taxis are neon green. You know, each emirate in the UAE has its own taxi color scheme. So we are back home. Let's hit the pool. Come, let's go check it out. Ordered drinks from the Poolside restaurant and some fries from Sliders restaurant. You can order the fries also from the Poolside restaurant. They will bring it from Slides restaurant. The pool was so refreshing. Let's go and check the beach. It's not much sunny at the moment, so it's best time. There are plenty of sunbeds available for a relaxing and sunbaths, which is really good. So the beach is closes at sunset because there will be no lifeguard after sunset, and the pool is closing at 7 p.m. But this can be vary based on the season, I think. So this is it for today. We're gonna have a quick dip and enjoy the sunset view. We'll catch you tomorrow. Bye. Hi everyone. We're gonna find a nice local restaurant to have lunch. Let's see if we can find one in Fujairah easily, like in Abu Dhabi or Dubai. Let's check this one. Ooh, looks so empty. This looks very empty and there was no one at least at the welcome door. Or at least a cashier. Looks creepy. Finally, we found a nice restaurant and this is our starter, the local salad. And you know what? In this restaurant they are putting this thing on the table. It looks like a table mat before the food arrive. So here's the food. We got some parathas and a mutton biryani. Looks very yummy. Let's try it out. So everyone, this is the beautiful night view of Fujairah. We have a marine sports club next to our hotel. So this is the front view of it. Yeah. You can find several walkable spots like this next to the hotel. And this place is like a go-kart track driving place, which looks very happening. But honestly, most of the shops were empty. Streets were quiet. It felt like a ghost town at times. Maybe because it's summer? So our honest opinion, Fujairah is not the best summer destination. It feels deserted and a bit offbeat this time of year. But we definitely recommend giving it a try during winter instead. Hope we covered up most of the things. Thank you so much for your valuable time and please subscribe for more vlogs like this. We have already planned our next exciting vlog for you. Please stay tuned for it. See you in the next one. Bye!